That's what happens when you burn out.
Dude, I was just driving and that shit popped.
Stupid loud. De más. Fuck no. Mira que no tengo gas en mi check engine. Get loud like chicks. So ahorita we're gonna go get a pipe so I can weld it and it hooks up to the rest of the exhaust. A ver cuánto me sale. And then we'll probably try to weld it on there, or I don't know, it depends how much the guy charges me just for the pipe. But I'm gonna go real quick. Hopefully it quiets down the truck because it sounds way too obnoxious. Fuck that. It's too much. Alright, que pedo.
A few moments later.
Yeah.
What your last name is?
Amaya.
Alright, so we're gonna take a look at it, make sure
Yeah, for
everything's
sure.
out okay?
Alright, cool. Thanks, man.
Yes, sir.
Fuck, bro. That shit's crazy. You're caught on fire. Yeah, bro. Shit's crazy what happened. It could have gone way worse. Out here in Canha's, these fools helped me out. Took it out. But yeah. You wanna give it a shout out or something, bro?
Yeah, my Snapchat, Kyries_12. Yeah, go get Joy and fuck that.
You, bro?
CVG, A Mac.
Hey, Mac. You, bro, you don't wanna come up? You chill?
Shout out to Hobbs.
That's what's up. Damage. That shit caught right there.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at. That shit like right there, huh?
Look, it was going all the way over there.
That was there, dude?
Yeah, that all that in there.
That caught on fire.
It popped. It's cause pues valió shit la pinche truck. Fuck, that shit caught fire. I got a few clips of it, but let me explain what happened. So I turned on the street or whatever. I barely came out of the shop, like the exhaust shop, to put that pipe on for the long tube. I turned in the street, I was going home, and then I don't know where that shit popped. It popped. I thought it was a tire. It was loud. I thought it was a tire or something, so I pulled over. But then I saw a bunch of smoke behind me. I'm like, what the fuck? Ya dije, ya valió madre. Y pues, I fucking get out and I check under the truck because I'm like, damn, the fuel pump, like I heard some shit burning. I check under the truck and then the fuel pump's all on fire. I'm like, no mames. So I pulled over, turned off the truck. Well, the truck was already off because it lost pressure. And I went to the guy with the black shirt and sandal. He had shorts on. I stopped right in front of his house. Shout out to him. And I just ran and got his hose and I just tried getting that shit out. I'm like, no se me quema la pinche mamalona, cut. So yeah, and then those other two homies, they saw it when it all happened, and they're all signaling me, saying, "Yo, your shit's on fire, this and that." And they came with the longer hose, and we hooked it up, and we took that shit out. But they called the fire department and everything, so they came to check that out. You'll see in these clips. But they came just to make sure it was out. I was on the phone while I was putting it out. Pero yay, that shit happened. That shit was crazy. I gotta show you guys all the damage. I'm gonna have to take off the bed, and insurance isn't gonna cover it. Que pinche madre. No puedo cabalar pinche full cover. Con las mermas que tengo, la verga. Pero ni pedo, ni modo. Pero yay, so I'm gonna take off the bed. I'm gonna see what damage. I'm gonna have to change. Well, obviously the fuel pump. Don't buy a fuel pump from Advance, ni madres, ni Advance, ni AutoZone, ni una de esas. Que vale shit. That shit'll blow up. So I'm gonna have to take off the bed, check out the fuel lines, the tank, all of that shit, to see if it didn't fuck shit up. But let me show you guys the damage. Past clip, so this shit burned up. You could see the smoke where the smoke was down there. I mean, I could wipe it off, like that. But that's where it caught fire right there. It was spreading all the way allá. Y lo acá está el fuel pump. Está la fuel pump. All melted. Valió shit. It's all smoke there. All of that got on fire. All over there. Valió shit. I might have to take off the bed and see what else caught fire. Literally after I put on the header, it's fucking trash. I gotta see what caused it because it just popped out of nowhere. Mira. Mira hasta dónde llegó la lumbre. Jamás voy a las bandas. Nada de eso. Defective fucking fuel pumps. So make sure you hit that like button, boys, so we could get a new build. Echale más agua, güey. Fuck it. Porque ya no prenda otra vez la pinche troca. Eche la pinche tanque de gas, órale, güey. Órale. Para que ya no prenda. Fuck it, I'm gonna rust it all. Estoy haciendo un pinche cagadero de lobo. A ver, ya déjame echarla ahí. We back. As you can see, Edwin shit his pants. We took off the gas tank, or he did. I didn't do anything. Now we're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it, huh? Yeah, good. Alright, you hood rats, we got it off. We're going E85. We got the poop stain over there. Did it ruin the fuel line? It ruined the fucking harness. Oh shit. What else did it ruin? Look at that. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna take off one of these fuel lights. A little bit more? It's stuck on the can. Dumbass wire. Gas can for sale, guys. Amaya Singlecabs. I got lucky that shit didn't blow up on me, like. Is that the end of the video? Well, for now, yeah. Just gotta get a new gas. Make sure to hit the like button, like and subscribe for more tips. And peace out. Could get the word out. Yeah. That shit fucking burned down. This fucking haircut's ugly as shit. Look at him. A lot of you probably have it, but I don't. Look at him. He's fucking ugly. Alright guys, peace out. What's that? That's what happens when you burn out. Dude, I was just driving and that shit popped.